Hello, dear children. Today we will do lesson number 12 in English Reader, The Chimpanzee's Friend. Hello and a very good morning to all my dear little ones. Today, after a gap of some time, we are again going to start our work in Learn Well Communicative English, Book 3. All of you open your textbooks on page number 137. We will start with lesson number 12, The Chimpanzee's Friend. Now, dear children, today I am going to explain a new lesson. That is your lesson number 12. So, first of all, you all will write today's date 3/4/2021 and classwork. This lesson is about chimpanzee. It's a type of monkey that we have not seen very often, but there are different types of monkeys that are seen, but this is a very unique type of monkey which very much looks like a human being. And the friend of who is the friend of chimpanzee? There's a lady who is a friend of chimpanzee, as you can see in the picture also, chimpanzee and the friend of chimpanzee, that is a lady who looks after and studies about how the behavior of chimpanzee is all about, that we are going to study in this lesson. So first we'll take a look at the starter kit. Look at these pictures. One is a monkey, the other is langur, and the third is an ape. Work out with your partners and discuss the difference between these. Now first one is your langur, first is your monkey, second is your langur, and third is the ape. Now ape is very similar to the human beings. It is also said that after many years, matlab hamara jo we human beings are also we have reformed ourselves from the monkeys. So monkeys are our ancestors, ऐसा बोला जाता है. So यहाँ पर हम जो है चिंपैंजी के बारे में पढ़ेंगे. Now let's start our work. Now get set. What would your mom say if you took insects and or worms to bed? What would your dad say if you hid a chicken house for hours? Now here the writer is asking that what you are going to do, what your mom is going to tell, that if you take your insects or the worms to the bed, that means you keep them under your pillow. If you take some insects or the worms, as you can see in this picture, this little girl has kept some insects and worms under her pillow. Or you have taken you have kept a chicken house for hours in your room. How your parents are going to react, what they are going to say? Obviously they are going to say that why you are keeping these things here, you should not keep it, throw it out. A little girl grew up in England, did these things. Her name was Jane Goodall. She was born on April 3rd, 1934. Now this is a story of a young little girl who grew up in England. मतलब वो इंग्लैंड में बड़ी हुई. She was born on 3rd of April 1934. वो कब उसका बर्थ कब हुआ? 1934 में 3rd of April को हुआ. और इंग्लैंड में जो वो रहती थी और उसका नाम क्या था? जेन गुडॉल उसका नाम था. Jane loved animals from her very early days. When she was a baby, she slept with a toy chimpanzee. When she was 2 years old, she hid earthworms under her pillows. She wanted to see what they did at night. When she was 4 years old, she hid a chicken house. She stayed there until she saw a chicken lay an egg. Now, this little girl, when she was very young, when she was too young, then in her childhood days, she used to play with the chimpanzee toy. That means she was so fascinated by the chimpanzees that she used to keep a toy of chimpanzee besides her where she used to sleep. And this was when she was not even 2 years old. And when she was 2 years old, what did she do? She took some earthworms and hid her under the pillow. And because she wanted to see that what these earthworms do at night, जब 2 साल की हुई तब उसने अर्थवर्म्स को लेकर जो है अपने पिलो के नीचे उनको रखा और वो देखना चाहती थी कि रात को ये अर्थवर्म्स क्या करते हैं। व्हेन शी वाज 4 years old she hid a chicken house। और जब वो 4 years की हुई तब उसने एक पूरा चिकन हाउस जो था अपने रूम के अंदर, घर के अंदर रखा और उसको तब तक उसने ऑब्जर्व किया जब तक एक चिकन ने एग ले किया। तब तक उसने ऑब्जर्व किया कि हाउ डज अ चिकन ले एन एग। व्हेन When Jane grew up, she went to Africa. She wanted to learn more about animals. She began watching chimpanzees on the reserves in Tanzania. Now, these wild animals you might not be knowing, but so, when Jane grew up, she went to Africa to study the behavior of the chimpanzees. Means she was so fascinated by the chimpanzees that she wanted to know more about how the chimpanzees behave, how they live, what they do, what do they eat. So, she wanted to know everything about chimpanzees. So, she went to Africa because Africa is a place where you get lots of monkeys and chimpanzees to see. वैसे भी वाइल्ड लाइफ जो है अफ्रीका में बहुत ही अच्छे है, बहुत ही डिफरेंट टाइप के एनिमल्स जो है आपको अफ्रीका में आज भी देखने को मिलते हैं। तो वो तंजानिया करके अफ्रीका में एक कंट्री है, वहाँ पर वो उनके जो एनिमल रिजर्व्स थे चिंपैंजीज के, वहाँ पर वो जाकर रहने लगी और चिंपैंजीज को स्टडी करने लगी। जेन कोड go there daily and watch the chimps for hours. She would wait for them to come to her. She wanted them to be friends with her. At last the chimps started coming to her without any fear. और मतलब डेली जो थी जेन वहाँ जंगल में जाके देखती थी, चिंपैंजीज को वॉच करती थी, फॉर घंटों तक वहाँ बैठे बैठे वो चिंपैंजीज को वॉच करती थी और वो ये चाहती थी कि चिंपैंजीज खुद उसके पास तक आए और उसके फ्रेंड्स बने। So after few days chimpanzees themselves started coming to Jane and became the friends. So they started coming to her without any fear because now they knew that she is her friend and she is not going to harm her. So they started coming to her and became her friends easily. Jane watched the chimps for many years. She saw baby chimps grow up and start families of their own. She knew each chimp from its फेस, शी इवन गेव देम नेम्स। अब बहुत सालों तक क्या हुआ, जेन उनको वॉच करती रही तो फिर जो है चिंपैंजीज को जो है वो अपने उनके नाम रख दिए उसने और वो हर एक चिंपैंजी को वो अलग से पहचानने लगी। उसने देखा कि छोटे छोटे बेबी चिंपैंजीज कैसे ग्रो करते हैं, हाउ दे स्टार्ट मेकिंग देयर फैमिलीज ऑफ देयर ओन। सो शी स्टार्टेड गिविंग नेम्स टू ईच एंड एवरी चिंपैंजीज एंड दे ऑल्सो got understood that they have been given the names. Jane learned how chimpanzees behave. She learned what they eat. She learned how they take care of their babies. तो जैसे जैसे जेन जो है उनके ऊपर स्टडी करने लगी वैसे वैसे वो समझने लगी कि चिंपैंजीज कैसे बिहेव करते हैं, वो क्या खाते हैं और हाउ टू डू दे टेक केयर ऑफ देयर बेबीज, मतलब वो अपने यंग वंस का कैसे ख्याल रखते हैं। शी saw how they get along with the other chimpanzees. She kept notes of all that she found about the chimps. और उसने ये भी नोट किया, उसने ये भी ऑब्जर्व किया कि हाउ दे गेट अलॉन्ग विद द अदर चिंपैंजीज, मतलब वो अदर चिंपैंजीज के साथ भी वो कैसे बिहेव करते हैं और हर चीज़ का जो पूरे दिन वो ऑब्जर्व करती थी, एवरीथिंग शी यूज टू नोट डाउन अबाउट ईच एंड एवरी चिम्प। हर नोट्स हेल्प मेनी स्टूडेंट्स एंड साइंटिस्ट। दे read her notes and learned about animal behavior. Now we know many things about the chimpanzees. So she made lot of notes about the study and the behavioral pattern, about the eating pattern, about the families, how they behave with other chimpanzees, how they take care of their babies, everything she used to note down and she prepared the notes. So many of the students and scientists who the other people who researched on the chimpanzees, they read her notes and learned many things about the chimpanzees and the animal behavior on the whole. Now there's lot that have been known about the chimpanzees. These wonderful animals came from the jungles of Africa. They look very much like the human beings. They use their hands and legs to walk on the ground, but they can also walk upright like men. They live in the family groups. They love their young ones and take good care of them. Chimps are intelligent animals. Now these chimpanzees, these are the wonderful animals, as it is said, they come from the jungles of Africa. That means these chimpanzees are found in the jungles of Africa only, and they are very similar to, I mean, from the outlook, from the look or the appearance, you can say that they look very much like us. That means human beings. बहुत कुछ वो इंसानों जैसे दिखते हैं. उनके दो पैर और दो हाथ होते हैं, मतलब जैसे वो उनके जो वो उनको वॉकिंग के लिए यूज़ करते हैं एज अ लेग्स ऑल्सो, और वैसे वो इंसानों की तरह सीधे भी दो पैर पर चल भी सकते हैं. दे लिव विद देयर यंग वंस, और वो अपने बच्चों के साथ ही रहते हैं. एंड दे टेक गुड केयर ऑफ देयर यंग वंस ऑल्सो. एंड द वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग विद द चिंपैंजीज इज़ दैट दे आर वेरी इंटेलिजेंट एनिमल्स. मतलब उनमें सोचने और समझने की इंसानों के जैसे ही ताकत है. जैसे और एनिमल्स में आई थिंक थिंकिंग पावर कम होता है कंपेयर टू द ह्यूमन बींग्स, बट चिम्प्स आर वेरी इंटेलिजेंट. दे आर केपेबल ऑफ यूजिंग सिंपल टूल्स. हियर यू कैन सी अ चिंपैंजी प्रोब अ termite nest with a stick. An infant chimp is looking on it. Now here you can see that chimpanzees can also use the tools as we the human beings use. So they can see a baby chimpanzee sitting here and a big chimpanzee is there. Now this is a termite nest, मतलब कि टर्माइट जो होता है, जो जो लकड़ियों को जो दीमक होती है उसका पूरा ये जो टर्माइट हिल है, जैसे एंट हिल होता है वैसे टर्माइट भी ऐसे ज़मीन में रहती है. तो यू कैन सी वो स्टिक से, वो स्टिक को उसने टूल के जैसे यूज़ किया, और उसने उसको जो है वो थोड़ा सा उसको देख रहा है कि इसके अंदर टर्माइट्स है कि नहीं है. एंड हाउ ही इज़ यूजिंग द स्टिक टू सी into the termite nest, wo that is carefully been washed by the young chimpanzee. Moving on to next page, that is your page number 130 40, but here the story gets over now. So we have learned few things about the chimpanzees, are that they are very much like human beings. They are very intelligent animals. They can walk like human beings, and they live in their families. They like to live with their families. They take good care of their young ones also. So these are the few things that we came to learn about the chimpanzees, which was literally observed, and the notes were written by the girl who was very much fascinated by the chimpanzees named Jane Goodall. Now dear children, we will first take a look at the exercises that you have to write it in your notebook. First is your complete the sentences.